This is my apple leather or fruit roll-ups if you want to be all trendy. And firstly, you want to go and pick yourself some apples or just buy them, keep the skin on, and you're going to roughly chop them, keep the cores for apple scrap vinegar, and then pop the rest in the pan, cover with water and bring to the boil. Cook for about 20 minutes until soft, and then you're going to blend this up until it's nice and smooth. You're looking for a silky smooth apple puree. Line a tray with some baking parchment and then spread your puree on top. You want it quite thick, about 2 centimetres in depth. And then I've sprinkled on some flaked almonds, a little bit of sea salt and cocoa nibs. It's up to you though, you can leave it plain or go your own way of the toppings. Pop this in a dehydrator at 50 degrees C overnight or a low oven, and it should be dry like this. Make sure you loosen it from the parchment and then roll it up. This is the fruit roll up bit, get it? And then you're going to slice it up like that, and then you can re-roll these to make them nice and tight so you can pack them into a kilner jar, and these will last for months and months. But you know, who are we kidding? Just eat them. They're delicious, sugar-free and actually healthy, and such a good way to use up those apples.